In this video, I'll be giving you my Exness affiliate program review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Exness has become a popular name in the Forex and trading world, and its affiliate program offers an opportunity for marketers and content creators to earn commissions by referring clients. But how does it actually work, and is it worth your time? Let's break it down. The Exness affiliate program allows affiliates to earn commissions by referring new traders to the Exness platform. It's completely free to join, and once approved, you get access to tracking links, banners, and marketing materials that you can share through your website, blog, social media, or other channels. Whenever someone signs up and starts trading through your link, you earn a commission. One of the standout features of Exness's program is its flexible commission models. Affiliates can choose between CPA, cost per acquisition, revenue share, or hybrid models depending on their marketing strategy. This flexibility means you can tailor your approach to maximize earnings, whether you focus on volume or high-quality referrals. Exness also provides a user-friendly affiliate dashboard. From here, you can track clicks, conversions, deposits, and commissions in real time. This level of transparency helps you understand which campaigns and strategies are most effective, making it easier to optimize your marketing efforts and increase your income. Another advantage is that Exness is a regulated broker with a strong reputation in the trading industry. This adds credibility when promoting to potential clients and increases trust, which can lead to higher conversions compared to promoting unknown or unregulated brokers. The program also offers marketing support and educational resources. Affiliates get access to banners, landing pages, and tutorials to help guide your referrals and explain how to use the platform. This makes it easier to attract both beginner and experienced traders. Now for the pros. Exness provides high-quality tracking, multiple commission models, a strong reputation, and marketing support, making it suitable for beginners and experienced affiliates alike. Payments are reliable, and the dashboard makes it easy to monitor your performance. The cons. Affiliate success depends heavily on your audience's interest in trading, which can limit reach for general content creators. Marketing financial products also comes with compliance requirements, so you need to follow rules closely. Overall, the Exness affiliate program is a legitimate and potentially lucrative way to earn commissions by referring traders. With the right marketing strategy and audience targeting, it's a solid option for anyone looking to monetize content in the finance and trading niche.